Thank you and welcome back to the second segment of the show for today. We're talking to Dr. Leonard Madu, and he's talking about the impact of immigration on the state of Tennessee, and he has already given us some numbers in reference to the percentage of immigrants and the impact that this percentage is having on the state of Tennessee. And Dr. Madu, let's pick up at during the second segment where we left off and to continue our discussion.
Like I said before, we have about 306,000, immigrants in the whole of the state of Tennessee. Out of this number, about 106,000 are citizens, of the state. And then you have the green card holders and all the rest. And then out of this number, 47% are Latinos. And like I said, when you talk of Latinos, you include those from South America, Argentina, Venezuela, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, then those from Central America, Honduras, Jamaica, Guyana and all that. Then, El Salvador, Nicaragua, all of them. Latinos, 47%.
The Latinos.
Latinos. Then Africans, 8.9% of the, immigrant population, or 27,000 of them, Then Europeans, those from Europe, East and Western Europe. Some of them came here from East Germany and all those before. There are about 38,000 of them, about 12%. Then Asians, about 27%, or about 83,000. And when you talk of Asians, you talk of, like I said, Indians, Chinese, Indonesians, Malaysians, Chinese. They're all Asians put together. And out of this, you have 4.8%, according to the last, information census. 4.8% of the population of Tennessee is are immigrants. And the state population of Tennessee is about 6.4 million people, according to the last statistics. 3% of immigrants are registered voters. So you can see the impact that's going to have politically. So out of this number also, you have, when you talk of the children of immigrants, 82% of the children of Hispanic or Latino immigrants are English proficient. 92% of the children of Asian, families are English proficient. 95% of the children of African immigrants are, English proficient. So you can see, the Africans, the Asians, then the Latinos. And the African immigrants, most of them predominantly come from English-speaking countries. So they're already, used to English as a language. And then also those from Asia, like Indians, Pakistanis, Malaysians, they're also used to English language, rather than the Asian, the Latin American, immigrants' children. Now, the undocumented workers in Tennessee contribute or pay about $175 million in taxes.
$175 million in taxes.
Exactly.
These are the undocumented immigrants.
That's correct.
Folks that we really want to run out of town and don't want to leave, but they're taking the jobs away from everybody.
That's correct. They contribute $175 million in taxes to the state of Tennessee. And according to labor statistics, if